So I've been browsing my social media and I see a lot of people making this coffee toast. If you ever tried Papparoti coffee bun, it's pretty much that but without the hassle of making the bread. This is like a hack or shortcut version of it. Is it really worth the hype? I don't know, I guess we'll find out. First of all, we need to make the crust layer on top. It's like the coffee frosting. I have 4 grams of instant coffee or about 4 teaspoons. You want to add a tablespoon of hot water and mix it. It's better to get instant coffee so you get the taste and the brown color of the coffee. Set it aside from now. There aren't many steps involved in making this recipe, so it's pretty simple. Even kids could make this. In a bowl, pour in 60 grams of powdered sugar and 60 grams of butter. That's about 2 ounces each. I'm just gonna use a whisk to incorporate the ingredients. Keep mixing it until it's creamy and the sugar is mixed in well with the butter. It should look like this. Now drop in a whole egg and the coffee mix we made earlier in the batter. You can add more coffee if you want a stronger taste. Now mix it until everything is combined. As you can see, the egg is not quite mixed in with the batter, but you don't really have to make it smooth at this point. The last ingredient is flour. You need 70 grams or about half a cup. The flour will make the batter thicker and easier to put on the bread later. Mix it well until smooth. It should be creamy and thick like buttercream or frosting. Mine look a lot like peanut butter with the brown color. Now I'm gonna take the batter and put it in a piping bag. If you don't have one, don't worry about it because you can use a spoon and apply it like bread slices like jam or butter. It will taste the same. Prepare 4 slices of bread and shape it however you like. I just cut mine into triangles since it's simple and the size is perfect for my daughter. You want to take one of the slices and put some butter on it. Don't be afraid to put a lot. When you're thinking about making this recipe, you're probably not on a diet. I know you're not. Come on, don't lie to yourself. Diet always starts tomorrow. Now do this for all of them. The batter is enough for 4 slices of bread. You can also add some cheese or chocolate sprinkles. I stick to the original one since I want to see how it tastes. When you're done, put the bread onto a baking sheet and pipe out the batter we made before. This is optional, but I like to put sliced almond on top since I have some leftovers from my previous recipe. Bake this at 180 degrees Celsius or 355 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. It should look like this coming out from the oven. The coffee is evenly distributed and becomes hard like a shell. Since I put a lot of butter inside, the middle part of the toast is still soft while the outer edge is crunchy. I really like this because it's super easy to make and it's good when you're craving coffee buns but you're on low budget or you don't want to make one from scratch. I was expecting it to be very hard and crunchy like how a toast should be, but I was wrong. I like how the inside is still soft like the original coffee buns. So I'd say yes to this recipe. I think it's worth it to try, but I still prefer having soft bread for my coffee bun. For this viral recipe, I would rate this 8.2 for the taste and 9 for its simpleness to cook.